I would give this a 10 out of 10 on deliciousness. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something that's sort of in the art of not really cooking, but making food. We're going to make an ice cream cake that you could make on your own with almost no assistance. You need some ice cream sandwiches, some sort of a pan, some Cool Whip or something like that. They have non-dairy versions also. Some chocolate sauce and maybe something else to put in between the layers, which I can tell you about. It's super easy and it's delicious, and people will think that you are so fancy if you make this, just so you know. So the first thing we do is unwrap the
Well, the first thing you should do is
wash your hands.
Clean.
Yeah, wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. My hands are very clean. I just washed them twice, as a matter of fact.
Right.
I'm going to. Okay, but you also have to sort of move fast because these melt quickly.
All right.
So I'll try not to talk too much while I'm doing it. But they're delicious. We started making these because my sister Teresa, who's known as Aunt Cookie to my children, she brought it to her house once. Like, what in the world is that yummy thing?
This summer I was back visiting my family, and my little nephew wanted to make an ice cream cake, and I couldn't think of how in the world we were going to make an ice cream cake. And then I remembered Miss Kate's ice cream cake. And so Wes
tasty.
made the ice cream cake himself, all by himself. I
Because
didn't even help him.
you
I just
can.
watched him.
Now this probably would have been good if I'd let it sit out a little bit longer to make it easier to spread, but I didn't, so we're going to deal with it. So I'm, sorry, to move this back to milk. I am spreading the Cool Whip as best I can, because it is frozen, onto the ice cream sandwiches. Now, I used it, I didn't even use that whole thing yet. I used a little less than half of this one for the first cake, because I'd used one and like almost a half. Okay, and this isn't any time of the year kind of treat. You could have it.
Were you going to put something else before you?
Oh,
put
thank you.
yours
I was
or
talking. I got so excited about doing that. Okay, so I'm going to. Yeah, it is. Because I already used it. Okay, we'll just talk while we're doing
Could
it.
you put peanut butter? You could put peanut butter.
Yeah, you could do whatever you want. Isn't that great? I probably should have had this upside down. That's silly. Oh, there we go.
Very fudgy.
Yeah, it is. It's oh, and it's making a little noise over there. Okay, I'm going to keep this upside down so I can get to it later. But now I'm going to open up the next one so I can tell they're already starting to melt. So I'm going to move as quickly as I possibly can.
Do you think this would be a good partner project?
Sure, if you want to, but you could just do it by yourself and surprise your family with this delicious cake. You just have to get someone to go to the store and get all the ingredients for you. Okay, we'll wrap this up, get that to the freezer in a moment, and add another layer of this delicious, almost non-dairy Cool Whip. Oh, it's starting to melt a little. That's good.
So do you think if it was for a holiday, you could put like rainbow sprinkles on it if it was like somebody's birthday?
Mm-hmm.
You could theme decorate it, couldn't you?
Yes, if you want to, like if it was, if you
4th of
celebrate.
July.
Oh, 4th of July, you could, yeah, you could put red, white, and, well, they're already white, but you could put red and blue sprinkles on. You could put green and red on if you wanted to for Christmas, if you celebrate that. Okay, we're almost there. Just one little blob over here to cover up nicely. And use this knife to scrape that off. My hands are a little bit cold. And then we're going to cut into the one they already made so you can see what it looks like. Okay, it's slightly messy, but you know.
Do Dorothy
Doesn't
and
matter.
I get to have a piece?
Yes, I brought plates and forks. So we can all have delicious ice cream cake. Okay, now I'm going to do one more layer of the chocolate, and then I'm going to wrap it in plastic and stick it in the freezer for a few hours before we're ready to eat it. But I'll show you the one I made earlier. So this is going to, oops, I will clean this up. And from out of the freezer comes the one I made earlier. And here it is. So I'm going to cut you each a piece so you can eat it and then tell everyone if it's delicious or they should never make this ever. Just kidding. We know it's delicious already. But you can see what it looks like. I don't have a cake spatula here, so it's going to be a little bit messy. But you see all those layers in there? See how there's all the layers? So it does really look like ice cream
Here
cake.
comes my hand to get the cake.
Okay. And now I will also get one and I'll eat a piece and then I'll tell you if I think that this is really something that you should eat. Okay, let's see.
It's the all occasion wonderful ice cream.
Oh my gosh.
Oh goodness, great.
Thanks. I feel like quite the baker right now. I would give this a 10 out of 10 on deliciousness. Okay, so if you make one, go have some fun eating. We'll see you soon. Bye everyone.
Friends.